What is knowledge management system? Why do we need them in the organization? And why use it with deep learning?
Knowledge management systems are information technology systems that are used to gather, classify, store, search, retrieve, and share ideas, opinions, and thoughts in order to support knowledge structuring, sharing, and personal content management. It improves collaboration, locates knowledge sources, mines repository for hidden knowledge, and captures and uses knowledge. Organizations are now trying to use technology to capture the knowledge residing in the minds of their employees so it can be easily shared across the enterprise. Knowledge management in organizations are categorized into 4 parts. Acquisition, how organizations acquire knowledge from both external and internal sources. Knowledge creation, storage and retrieval of information, and fourthly, transfer and utilization of knowledge.
Information management and knowledge management. What is the difference? Information management deals with people, processes, and technology. Information management is mainly concerned with people managing information sources, acquiring this information, and storing them for easy retrieval and dissemination. It basically deals with the creation and use of corporate information. Knowledge management, on the other hand, is the process of capturing, developing, sharing, and effectively using organizational knowledge. Knowledge management revolves around an organization's information assets, and these include databases, documents, policies, and most importantly, the uncaptured expertise and experience of individual workers in the organization. 2 types of knowledge, explicit and tacit. Explicit is basically codified knowledge and can be found in documents and databases. It's easy to identify, store, and retrieve. This is the type of knowledge handled by the knowledge management system. It's often regarded as being less important and cannot contain experience and the know-how which can generate lasting competitive advantage. Tacit knowledge is often regarded as the most valuable source of knowledge and most likely to lead to the breakthrough in an organization. It is referred to as know-how and is largely experience-based. For example, an IT specialist will approach a problem using his experience. This is tacit knowledge.
First of all, we need to understand deep learning technology. These are advanced artificial intelligence systems that emulate the human neurons in terms of teaching themselves how to recognize images from graphs and regression patterns. They also help us understand text, convert text to words, languages, sounds, and projections, helping organizations invest little or no time or resources and for a quicker implementation of their business strategy. Let's talk about the users of deep learning technology. The chief information officers look for the highest performance in machine learning system for upgrade and improvement. Business owners look for ways to maximize values of their products and services and also to reduce costs for profit maximization. Analysts also seek ways to process huge amounts of unstructured data without laborious features and extraction for analysis. From the images provided, you can see where deep learning technology is being used to identify the graphs and regression patterns using its algorithm, and you can also see where the facial recognition is being used to identify expressions. From the diagram below, you can see where deep learning technology is being tested for speech interpretation, for easier translation of languages, and it can also be used to search and retrieve information from different parts of the world.
Collaborating knowledge management systems with deep learning technology. Deep learning is not only knowledge intensive, but also knowledge sharing intensive. A huge amount of knowledge sharing is required among software architects, engineers, product managers, project managers, developers, QA testers, and so on. In this environment, companies that implement a knowledge sharing process thrive will do better than those who do not learn how to share knowledge effectively, because they will quickly find themselves left behind. Having a deep learning technology will transform knowledge management systems into a more advanced type of system, a system that can determine the content regardless of its content type, such as image, text, audio, and video. The essence of collaborating knowledge management systems and deep learning technology is of great importance because machine learning systems will be able to simulate any possible business opportunities under different market conditions, thereby having the ability to know upfront if a business opportunity will be profitable before spending millions of money to roll out an implementation solution. To remain competitive in the future, organizations will need to abandon their ideas of information hoarding and embrace knowledge sharing. Competitive success will be based less on how strategically physical and financial resources are allocated and more on how strategically intellectual capital is managed.
Where are we coming from and where are we going to? Deep learning has come a long way. From the start, earlier versions of deep learning systems were mainly descriptive systems. This then developed to inferential systems. The mode of operation here was finding the best alternative from different choices. Thirdly, the predictive systems were formed. Just as the name implies, these systems were able to forecast what the market would do next, and this helped greatly in decision making. The future of deep learning proposes greater levels of artificial intelligence systems that will be capable of teaching themselves, and we in turn can learn from them and make better and more informed decisions.
The graph we can see shows an interest over time of deep learning, and from early stages of 2005 up until the late stages of 2012, we can see deep learning had a stable interest over time. But from 2013 up until 2015, the interest over time of deep learning increased exponentially, and I believe that would continue to be an exponential increase for deep learning. Advancements, or in other words, let's say upgrading on deep learning technology, are still yet to come.
Organizations have started making use of the collaboration of knowledge management systems and deep learning technology. Companies like Netflix, Microsoft, Facebook, Google, Amazon, and IBM always use it to monitor their strategy implementation, stay ahead of their competitors, and improve their competitive advantage. We're looking at the benefits between the collaboration of knowledge management systems and deep learning technology. Having the ability to automatically determine corporate enterprise records from redundant, obsolete, and trivial data. This will not only streamline document lifecycle management, but will allow companies to build a knowledge management system that will transform the business. The reality of this era is that technology is moving faster than companies can even understand what threat it possesses. The ability to adjust to new threats will not only be measured in months or years, but rather weeks. Large companies will struggle to move at pace that will be required to keep up with demanding customers who will become even savvier in the connected world. They will reward these companies that can provide the most value at quicker response.
Perpetual learning and knowledge management will be the key to organizational effectiveness. Knowledge is the new capital, but it is worthless unless it is accessible, communicated, and enhanced. Thank you.